Okay, so we are going to do other more past papers for the circles. The last results we did some past papers, so this one is also a good one. The equation of the circle is given to you, and okay, x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equals to 0, and they have given you 2 points, 1 comma 1, and b is 2 minus 6, and they're telling us that these 2 points lie on the circle. Find the values of a and b, and hence find the coordinates of the center of the circle. So they have given you 2 points on the circle, and they have given you an incomplete equation of the circle. We are trying to find the unknowns a, b. So there are two variables, two unknowns to find, and they have given you two coordinates. So what you can do is you can substitute the values of the coordinates in the equation and then form two equations for each of the situation. So when your x is 1, y is 1, so 1 square plus y square is 1 square plus 1a plus 1b minus 12 is equal to 0. So you will get an equation a plus b minus 12 plus 2 minus 10 and plus 10. This is your equation number 1. Then if you substitute the other point, 2 square minus 6 square 2a minus 6b minus 12. So this would form 2a minus 6b and minus 12 plus 36 plus 4. 36 plus 4 is 40. 40 minus 12 is 28. So minus 28. Equation number 2. And now you will solve them simultaneously. 1, 1, 10. 2 minus 6 minus 28. So your A is 4 and your B is 6. So now they're asking you to find the center as well. Center will be simply, your equation becomes x square plus 4x, y square plus 6y minus 12. So your center will be 4 upon 2 if you convert them into complete square form. Minus 4 plus y plus 3 whole square minus 9. So your center is minus 2 minus 3, and your radius is, this would become 25. So your radius is 5 and center is minus 2 minus 3. 4 marks. Then find the equation of the tangent to the circle at the point A, giving your answer in the form px plus qy is equals to k. P, Q, and K are integers. So this one is easy. Now we have the center coordinate, we have the coordinate of A. So this is your circle. Center is minus 2, minus 3, and your point A is 1, 1. They are asking you to find the tangent, equation of the tangent. So first you will find the gradient of the radius, the negative reciprocal. So gradient of radius will be minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So minus 4 upon minus 3. So the gradient of tangent will be negative 3 upon 4. So y minus 1 minus 3 upon 4, x minus 1. The point of tangency, it is this one. So I am using 1 comma 1. And the gradient for the tangent, minus 3 upon 4. So now you will get 4y minus 4 is equal to minus 3x plus 3. Move everything on one side? No. You move everything on the x and y on one side. Yes, x and y on one side and the constant on the other part. So 4y plus 3x is equals to 7. So your P is 4, Q is 3, and K. Yes, K. K is 7. This is your final answer. Okay? Any questions, anyone? Abhiyan, पता नहीं बैठा नहीं बैठा. Munib, do you get it?
So,
See?
yes, sir.
Hmm. This seemed like a difficult one, but not so very much. Okay, I'll open up a recent past paper, and we will see if we can. What was it? Hmm. Find the two possible equations. Look, this is a good question. This is from October November 2413. October November 2024 13. Question number 10. Points A and D are given. A is 4 comma 3, B is 8 comma minus 5. A circle with radius 10, so radius is given to you 10, passes through the points A and B. Show that the center of the circle lies on the line. Okay. Show that the center lies on y is equals to half x minus 4. Okay, look, this is an interesting question. So, okay. The equation is what? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. R has given to us 10 square is 100. And now they have given you again two coordinates. The two coordinates are what? A and b, and we know the x1, x and y values for the two, and we have two variables over here, so we can substitute them and find the value of a and b. Let's see. So if your a is 4 comma 3, so 4 minus a whole square plus 3 minus b whole square is equals to 100. Okay, we can expand them, simplify. I think this would become, maybe we'll have to do like this or something else. Center. Show that the center of the circle lies on this line. Okay. If we have 8 and minus 5, so x minus a, sorry, 8 minus a whole square plus minus 5 minus b whole square is equals to 100. Center lies on this line. So there is a circle. Center, we don't know, x comma y, and we have 2 points a and b. Let's suppose this is a over here, this is b over here. The distance from this is radius, which is 10, and this would also be 10. They have given you the equation of a line which is passing through the center. Any random line. And the equation of this line is y is equals to 1 upon 2 x minus 4. Okay. Okay. We can use the distance formula as well. Distance formula, we would get the same thing, I think. 100, we would get the same thing. hmm 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 Okay, I get it. I think I'd get it. If this A and B, if I join them with a straight line, this becomes a tangent, right? Sorry, this becomes a chord. And if there is a line which is passing through the, if there is a line which is passing through the center, it means now this is a perpendicular line to AB, because we know if from the circle, if the from the center of the circle we drop a perpendicular line, it will bisect the chord, isn't it? Let me confirm this. Do we really know this? 10 and 10. No, we don't know this. Let's see. What is the gradient between these two lines? AB. So these 2 points. The gradient of AB is uh, -5 -3 upon 8 -4. So -8 upon 4, which will be -2. And we can see the gradient of this line, it is half. So the gradient of the line multiplied by the gradient of the AB, it tells us that it is -1, isn't it? So half multiplied by -2, it is giving me -1. So this means that they both are perpendicular, isn't it? So this means the line passing through the center, which they have given you, it is it is passing through the center of the it is passing the midpoint of the AB. So this is the tangent property. Sorry, this is the chord property. Therefore, you have shown that the line is passing, because we can see that the gradient of AB and the gradient of the line given, they both are perpendicular, right? So we know that these two are perpendicular, but what do we really know if it is passing to the center? How would we know that if it is passing to the center? We have shown that these two, the line they have given you and the line that they that the grade the chord, the line that they have given you and the chord, they are perpendicular. We have found this. Now how can we show that it is passing through the center? Okay, we will see that if it is bisecting it or not. Or okay. Okay, this is the midpoint of AB. This is the midpoint of AB, which we can find it easily. Add the x, divide by 2. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 upon 2 is 6. And -5 plus 3 is 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. And if we see that the equation of this line and the equation of AB, if we simultaneously solve them and they are intersecting at the same midpoint, this is telling me that it is perpendicularly bisecting it. And then I can confirm that it is the line passing through the center as well. So if I find the equation of AB, AB equation will be y -3, gradient is -2, x -4. So y is equals to -2x plus 8 plus 3, so plus 11. So this is your equation of AB, and y is equals to half x minus 4. This is your equation of the line that they gave us. If we solve them simultaneously and if we see that it is passing through the midpoint of AB, so then it is confirmed. Y is 1, x is 2, is equals to 1. Y is 1, x is minus half and minus 4. So -3 and 2, ये तो मसला हो गया. -2x -1 2 1. Oh, this is 11, sorry. This is 11. -1 and 6. Yes. -1 and 6. Good. We found it. So the simultaneous after solving this is passing through. The point of intersection is the y. X is 6 and y is -1. And over here as well, we found the midpoint. Midpoint was, I think I found there's a mistake in finding midpoint. X plus x, 12 upon 2 is 6. Okay. And 3 plus -5 is -2. Okay. -2 upon 2 is -1. And now you will say therefore shown that the line is passing through center. समझ आया? This was really a good question. I had also had to think a lot on this. Okay, first of all, they gave us 2 points A and B which are on the circle, and they gave us the radius of the circle, which right now we have not used. I think nowhere we have used it. Then they have given you a line. They're asking you that we have to show that the center of the circle lies on this line. We don't know where on the line does the center lie, but they're just telling us, asking us to show that center is somewhere on this line. So this means that if we have 2 points on the circle, if we join them, we will get a chord, isn't it? We will get a chord whenever we have 2 points on the circle and we join them. If they are not the diameter, if it is not the diameter, you can, it is a simple chord. And then if they have also told us that the line that they have given us, it is passing to the center. So first of all, what I did was I tried to use this property, which is the property when you have this chord and the line is that is passing through the center, and crossing the chord, it intersects perpendicularly and bisects is also. This is the property, right? A line from the center to the chord perpendicular bisects it. This is the property, and I'm trying to show that if this property is shown, then definitely the line is passing to the center. First of all, I looked if the gradient of the line, the equation of the line that they gave us, and the AB gradient that we found, are they perpendicular or not? So first of all, I found the gradient of AB, it came out as -2. And you can see the gradient of the line, it is half. So -2 and half, they are negative reciprocals of each other. So this I have proved right now that the chord and the line, they are perpendicular. I have shown the perpendicular. But now I don't know if it is cutting it like this, or cutting it like this, or cutting it like this, or cutting it from the center. Now I have to show that it is right now. I know this is perpendicular, but I don't know if it is passing to the center or not. So for that thing, what did I do? I saw that if it is passing to the center, the line which is this that they have given, if it is passing to the center, it will bisect it. Bisect it means it will pass through the midpoint of AB. So what did I do? I first of all found the midpoint of AB because I have the A and B point. So the midpoint of AB came out as 6 minus 1. And then I found the equation of AB line, and I already know the equation of this line. And when I solve them simultaneously, I get the same point as the midpoint of AB. This now is telling us that the line is bisecting it perpendicularly. And therefore, now you can say that it is passing to the center because that is the rule. That is the property. समझ आया? Mohit, I didn't know. Okay, so we are moving on to the second part. Find the two possible equations of the circle. 5 marks. Find two possible equations of circle. Now we know that this is one of the, what do you say, situation where it is passing to the center like this. It is also possible that the circle is over here, something like this, and the center is over here, and it is passing through the perpendicularly like this. So the circle center can be on this side of the AB, and it can be on the other side of the AB as well. So we have to find what is the center. Two different centers can be are possible. If the center is on the other side of this AB chord, or the center is over this side of the AB chord. So how will we do this? We will simultaneously solve, or what will we do? Equation, center, radius. We have the radius y is equals to AB. I think we will have to simultaneously solve it because we have found already two equations, and we will find two solutions as well. How would we solve this? Find the two possible equations of the circle. Okay, let's try this. 4 square. I'm expanding the first equation, this equation. 16 minus 8a plus a square plus 9 minus 6b plus b square is equals to 100. And 64 minus 16a plus a square, और ये जाएगा plus 25 plus 10b plus b square is equals to 100. How would we simultaneously solve it? Okay. I get it. Okay, if we are saying that the center has the coordinates a comma b, and the equation that is passing through the center, it is y is equals to half x minus 4. So your b is y is b and your x is a. So a upon 2 minus 4. So now I can substitute this in the equation, and any one of the 4 minus a whole square plus 3 minus b whole square is equals to 100. So I can substitute the b. So if I expand this, 16 minus 8a plus a square, no worries. On this part, I will expand. This would become plus 3 minus a upon 2 plus 4. I'm expanding the bracket as well, like this. It would be like this. Is equals to 100. So 16 minus 8a plus a square, and this would become plus 3 plus 4 is 7 plus minus a upon 2 whole square is equals to 100. A square minus 8a. 16 I'm moving on the other side, so 100 minus 16 would become 84, and 84 minus 49, because this expansion 7 square would be 49. So minus, this would become minus 7a plus a square upon 4. So this would become 5a square upon 4 minus 15a, and minus 84 minus 49 is 35. And then quadratically solve this. 5 upon 4 minus 15 and minus 35. Minus 2. A is minus 2 and a is 14. And now you'll find the value of b as well. So when a is minus 2 upon 2 is minus 1, minus 4 is minus 5. And 14 upon 2 is 7. 14 upon 7, 7 minus 4 is 3. So these are the two centers. And so therefore the equation of the circles are x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equals to 100. And the other one is x minus 14 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 100. 5 marks. समझ आया? अच्छा सवाल था, बहुत अच्छा सवाल था संची, wasn't it?
Yes, sir.
बहुत दिमाग लगाया मैंने. चलो अच्छी बात है. Whenever you have found two equations, whenever they have given you one of the equations, definitely कुछ ना कुछ simultaneously they would be solving it. So I was trying to, because there are two variables to know, a and b. तो जब भी दो इक्वेशन, दो अननोन्स हो, तो साइमल्टेनियसली ही बन रहा होता है. तो you have to think accordingly. Form the equations. पहले तो I formed these two equations, but these were, I wasn't able to simultaneously solve them. It was getting more complicated. वो अलग ही बन जाता. So then I thought about this line. This line is also passing through the center, and the center was a and b. So then I use these a and b as the center, and I substitute the y as b and x as a. So I formed another equation in terms of a and b, and then I solved them simultaneously. तो दिमाग तो लगा है. This took out a lot of energy as well, mental energy. सही है. Think about it as well. This was a very good question. So लोग कैसे कैसे सवाल दे सकते हैं ये लोग, घुमा कैसे रहे हैं ये, सवाल बनाने में भी अक्ल चाहिए. Pausing the recording. I was stopping the recording now.